Hello everyone and welcome to this special episode of our Spotlight series. I am thrilled to join you today for ELECRAMA 2025 here in Delhi, India's largest stage for the global electrical industry and a gateway to the future of energy. This year we are proud to be the official sustainability partner, leading the conversation on innovation, efficiency and responsibility. At the heart of our booth, we are unveiling our vision of sustainability for the future of homes today. And this is happening with Wiser. To make homes more sustainable, we believe in a simple equation, which is more electrification for decarbonization and more digitization for efficiency. This is the formula that we believe can be a game changer. Let me tell you what it means concretely. When it comes to digitization, the first important aspect is to connect the different devices together in one single system. This is Wiser. With Wiser, we can enable automation scenario for energy management that will avoid waste wherever possible. The other aspect of the equation is electrification. Electricity is the only energy that can be made out of clean sources like renewables. This needs to be encouraged. Now, let's face it, the electrification of homes is putting a bigger strain on the electrical panel and creating new potential risks of electrical hazards. With Wiser, we monitor permanently the safety of your electrical installation and you are informed as soon as there is any deviation. Cherry on the cake, we work hand in hand with the design and ergonomics team to build the perfect design for our products, working on ingenious solutions for electricians to install and aesthetics for homeowners. Automation, safety, design and sustainability are the four pillars that you will be able to see in ELECRAMA. Let me walk you through the innovation we are presenting here on those four pillars. Let's start with the first pillar, automation. More than 80% of Indian consumers are looking for ways to reduce their energy consumption at home. Meet Wiser, our industry-first India solution designed to help homeowners monitor energy usage through its advanced applications such as energy management through daylight harvesting and temperature control, home automation through lighting control, curtain control, scene control and visitor management, technology and interoperability through third-party integration and geofencing. All these features can be retrofitted and are expandable in the future, thanks to a simple 5-minute commissioning experience with our Wiser platform. When it comes to design, we understand that modern homes require not only cutting-edge technology, but also design excellence that enhances both aesthetics and functionality. Let's dive into our range of innovative and awards-winning solutions. We start with Livia, robust and durable switches featuring antibacterial surfaces. Next is Miluzita, an industry-first solution with innovative functionalities, including an air quality indicator and a voltage surge protector, all available in 6 curated color options. Then we have Miluzlara, designed for smart builder and modern homes. This switch is ideal for new construction standards like MyVan and fits into thinner walls thanks to 40mm metal boxes. Our Unica Pure and Unica Flat switches are developed from high-quality natural materials such as wood, glass and metals and are available in both traditional rocker and flat designs. Introducing Zencelo, the world's first fully flat switch, which offers a sleek modern aesthetic while delivering Schneider's signature quality and functionality. Next is Avataron, the first ever customizable switch that lets you personalize your home. Last but not least, we present Unica X, an ultra-slim design available in 6 metallic finishes, showcasing the beauty of true metal. These products have been developed based on close feedback from our customers, ensuring that we bring innovation that meets their aspirations. Additionally, our Miluzlara, Miluzita and Unica Pure ranges are fully compatible with Wiser. Now moving to safety, Schneider Electric has been at the forefront of electrical protection for 150 years. By the way, we are happy this year to celebrate the 100 years of the miniature circuit breaker. This little device which silently protects home from overloads, and short circuits. Over the course of years, many new auxiliaries have been introduced, such as the residual current device, which protect against electrocution. Here in ELECRAMA, we are showcasing best-in-class safety solution with our extensive range of final distribution products. Our distribution board is designed for harsh environment, offering 4 times rust resistance, making it ideal for rugged conditions like construction sites and compatible with my van construction. We have energy monitoring devices, a product from Wiser family that can be installed in your regular distribution board that provides you detailed insight into energy consumption, breaking it down by device, room, or even energy source. Now let's talk about one of our most advanced safety solutions, the arc fault detection device. An all-in-one safety solution designed to protect both people and property from electrical hazards. It features proactive capability, including clear and instant fault alarm for immediate action, pre-alarm for potential risk before they escalate, historical data and trends to help diagnose and prevent recurring issues. These innovative devices brings the best of electrical safety into one unit and makes it visible to homeowners through the Wiser app. Now moving to sustainability, homes represent 20% of the greenhouse gas emissions, and the majority of the emissions are caused by the energy we consume. Reducing our energy consumption is not only good economically, this is also good for the planet. Our solution enables homes to select the best energy source at the best moment of the day. Say you would prioritize solar energy when it's available, or use the energy from the grid when it's cheaper. With the emergence of viable energy tariffs, it will be crucial for homeowners to have a solution that can optimize energy consumption in real time. Time for wrap-up. Let's take a moment to reflect on our key highlights. Elegant switches by design, visible safety, smart automation, and sustainability are redefining modern living. Stay tuned for deeper dives into these 4 pillars in the upcoming The Future of Homes Today series episodes. Well done to the Indian team for this amazing Schneider Electric home style in ELECRAMA. We can feel the pulse of the innovation that will truly transform the future of homes today. Your remarkable commitment, creativity, and hard work have truly made a difference, and I am genuinely grateful. This is just the beginning of what we have planned for Season 2 with even more exciting updates in store for you. Until then, stay tuned and stay connected. See you soon.